Super Clean is super cool. Super Clean by Super Clean. Hey, I'm showing you this because I actually won these from my buddy Sal, the Root Boy, over at the Root Boy Cooks. And he had a contest for this stuff, and I won it. And look at, they sent two big ones, an aerosol can, and one's the spray. Super Clean, tough task cleaner slash degreaser, dissolves grease, super easy, super fast, biodegradable detergents. Well, I was thinking to myself, man, I don't really have a good cleaner for the Blackstone, so as part of this video, I'm going to show you, and we're going to see if this stuff works. So let's start on this side. Oh, look at all my magnets and stickers from my friends. Spray. It's coming. Oh, yeah. I could tell it's working already. Let me grab some paper towels. That's right. Let's shine up this Blackstone a little bit. There's Mile High Guy Barbecue, Hayden B. Grillin', the Bearded Italian. My old friend JC over there with his Rockin' Pork Star rubs. Man Kitchen Recipes. Wow, that stuff actually does work. I try to keep my Blackstone clean after every use, but once in a while, it's good to just come out here and polish it up. Very nice. Now come over this side. Can you? Super clean. Super clean. Now, also with this little kit I got a super clean sticker, a big bright sticker. I plan on putting that on my Blackstone. So first we're going to take my old poor guy with a Blackstone magnet and my friend Sherman, Coop the Grill. Since these are magnets, I'm going to put them back over on this side, and we're going to put the sticker over there. Move my paper towels. What stickers do I have over here? Oh yeah, Rochester, New York. That's where the poor guy's from. And Rochester, New York, that's where the garbage plate, and I do have a video on the garbage plate, by the way, and so does Sal. Home of the garbage plate, Rochester, New York. Granny Moore's Good Rub. I got a couple of those rubs, and my friend Doug over at Griddle Cook Eating More. The super clean sticker is going to go right on this side because I got room. But let's see if we can get some of this grease and yucky stuff off here with my new super clean products. Sal, I got to tell you, that was a good thing for me to win because I was thinking I needed a good degreaser for my Blackstone and other outdoor cooking equipment. Don't mind this stuff. It's where the stickers used to be. But I'll tell you what, it actually does a very good job. It's making this super clean. Right on. Heck yeah. I got a super clean sticker. Let's see. Yeah, it'll be good. It'll add a lot of nice color to this Blackstone of mine. See right there. Try to get that nice. Oh, it's not quite dry yet. Oh, this. Yeah. Don said make sure it's dry. It'll be better once it dries off. Super clean. Oh, I smudged it. Oh well. There you go. Super clean. Super clean. Super clean. Thank you, Sal. I'm glad you had that contest. Like I said, I will put both of these to good use and clean up the rest of this stuff sometime when it's warmer out. But it is appreciated. If you don't know Sal over at the Root Boy Cooks, I don't know. He doesn't need a shout out for me, but I'm giving him one anyway. What's going on? Dogs are barking. There they go. We got good times here. Poor guy outdoor cooking. Super clean. Peace.